Now I will show you how I work with my tutorial 1.8, which is working with attribute tables. Firstly, I will open the map tutorial 1.7, which is the previous map of tutorial. Now, in the table of contents window, I will right click US cities and open attribute table. Alright, now there are more cities named in the attribute table. Now I will search and scroll down to search for Chicago, and then I will click the left box to make it as highlight, and then I'll clear the selection. Okay, now I will select all the cities in Florida on the map. I will find the cities in Florida, which is Jacksonville, Tampa, and Miami. When I click Tampa and Miami, I will hold my shift key to make it selected features together. Now I will click show selected records, which is this is the three selected that I clicked before. Now I will click back show all records. Now I will make a switch selections. In the drop down here, I will click switch selection, and they will highlight all the cities that switch of the three cities that I select before. Now I will move a field. Before that, I will clear the selected features first. Now I will move a field. In the US cities table, I will click the gray title of the pop 2000 field. I will scroll and I will click it here to make it highlight, and then we'll drag it to the next right of the name. Now I will sort a field. In the US cities table, I will right click the name field and click sort ascending. I will click name, right click it and sort ascending. It will show the alphabet from A to Z. Now I will right click the pop 2000 field and click sort descending. This will show from the highest populated city to the lowest populated city in year 2000. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad NURFIKRI bin ADLAN. In this video, I will present about ArcGIS, which is Geographical Information System. In the chapter 1, I learned all the basic things to do, such as launch ArcMap, save the map document, and also how to add layer to the table of contents window. I also learned how to create bookmarks and select features in the layers. Other than that, I also learned how to sort ascending or descending in the attribute table. Next, in the chapter 2, I learned how to create maps and also how to symbolize maps using qualitative attributes, and also create group layers in the map. Other than that, on the chapter 2, I also learned how to create custom numeric classes and also how to create dot density in the maps. In the third chapter, I learned about how to make map layouts such as insert, scale bar, and title, and also insert map to use for ArcMap documentation. In conclusion, by all counts and also with proven results, show that ArcMap really helps me a lot in making maps and also gathering and transferring all the data in the same software, and increase me a knowledge about Mapping and Geographical Information System.